Hey guys, we received this UpBrands 15 zipper bracelet in Easter eggs. So test and try. So these are the vibrant pre-filled Easter eggs with toys inside, and then this can be used. Comes in a really nice box here. So these are the perfect Easter basket stuffers. And this or the egg hunt prices. So you can see like each have a bracelet in it, a zipper bracelet. So you can use this as a double tone colors, or you can make it a single bracelet, or as a fit get toy, or also you can just use this to cover up like a bracelet, or you can join two together to make it one. So it's a nice stuffer thing for the Easter that you can use and is a premium quality, as you can see in the zipper side. So it's smoothly working, and then full length is 7 inches around, and you can just put it in the egg and then just give it to the kids. So all they have are different bracelet, different colors, and different things. So they are vibrant colors for the eggs as well, as you can see, and comes in a really nice box. So fun thing for the kids on Easter's or for your egg hunt activities or the egg hunt prices. So nice, vibrant colors and really nice bracelets. So overall, my impression is good. But it's the quality, the box, eggs, and the bracelets. Hope you like this too.